Welcome to Math Talk 23. Today we are going to do counting activity. First one is, how many strawberries here? 2, 1, 3. Which is the correct one? 1. So I'm going to fix the clip in 1. Next one, how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to fix the clip in 3. Next one, zebra. 1, 2. So where is 2? First one. This is the correct answer. Next one, how many honeybees are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10, where is 10? This is 7, 10, 9. So 10 is the correct answer. Next one, how many bottle caps are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is the correct answer. This is the 4. Next one, how many squares are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is 5? This is 5. This is 3 and this is 6. So which is the correct answer? 5. Next one, how many dolls are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is 9? Here. So you have to fix the clip in the 9. Next one, how many circles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Where is 7? Here. This is 7. So I'm going to fix the clip in 7. Next one, how many blocks are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 5. This is 4. This is number 6. So 6 is the correct answer. You have to fix the clip in 6. Next one, how many sponge are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is 8? This is 8, 7, 6. So which is the correct answer? 8. I'm going to fix the clip in 8.